Hey there, what are today's messages? If you tell yourself you're not good with money, it can be a self-fulfilling prophecy. Change the narrative. In life, sometimes the wrong choices bring us to the right places. Has that been true for you at all? The orange tape. You haven't met all your best friends. You haven't made all your favorite memories. You haven't sung all your favorite songs yet. Some of your best days are still ahead of you. Every day is new and different, and so every day is wonderful in its own way. Tim Sharp. Experience is not what happens to you. It is what you do with what happens to you. Meaningful compliment ideas. You can tell someone, hey, you look happy. You have great energy. You inspire me. I love talking to you. You're fun to be around. You make me feel better. Has anyone ever told you these things before? All right, and the last one today. If it isn't what you have or who you are or where you are or what you are doing that makes you happy or unhappy, it is what you think about. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios.